What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. It's been a long time since I've seen you guys last. I hope everyone is doing great. I haven't been filming too much. There hasn't really been anything going on. Luckily, it looks like that's about to change. I'm not sure when I'm going to end up posting this video, but it looks like things are getting a little bit better, and hopefully all the car stuff will be back, and we'll be back into the swing of things. But today, you guys know my buddy Kevin. He bought the Lamborghini Gallardo that we did a video on, I don't know, weeks back. He also has a Supra. Well, guess what? He bought another Supra. So, as usual, I haven't seen it. It is a factory twin turbo one, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go check it out today, and should be cool. Let's go. So also, guys, I am using my new GoPro. I went out and bought one. So this is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of the quality of this video. I'm still gonna use the main camera, but I'll probably be switching it up, and I'm interested to see how well this one works. So let me know if the quality is good, worse, better. Yeah. Man, this guy here has got a problem. Why do you have a problem?
Oh, an addiction. Super addiction.
Can I title the video My Supra Addiction? And I feel like that TV show. Hey, at least they match now. It just looks like you painted the other one a different color.
Kind of.
Where's the other one?
My friend Mike's house.
Oh.
Yeah, replaced the wheel bearing.
Hey man, this thing looks nice. The paint looks in good shape.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Is this the original paint, do you know?
No, it's been repainted.
I was gonna say, this thing's this
It's the
is
original
nice.
color, but it's been repainted.
Look at that. Well, you look at that. A stock 2JZ.
The clean stuff.
Yeah, it's really clean.
It's pretty clean.
Yeah.
If I paid somebody to detail it, it would look even better. But like all this stuff is
Yeah.
usually like really like corroded.
Yeah. How many miles I got on it?
A lot. 241.
241?
Yeah. But
You
it
like
doesn't look like it.
you have a high hold on. You have a high
Yeah.
mileage Supra addiction.
Yeah. They're
But
just,
I mean, shit. It's really I would not have guessed that.
Yeah, the car doesn't look.
Even
like
though it was repainted, but still the engine bay and everything else looks really good. He took
Yeah,
really
there's
good care of it.
No oil leaks. Like usually the power steering pumps are always all oil.
Mhm.
It's like dry as a bone. I can back the Lamborghini out.
Do it. I don't know. I guess we'll get a cold V10. These are so angry when they start.
Yeah,
It's just like, grrr. From one exotic to another. Which one would you guys take? Leave a comment in the comment section below. Would you take a Supra or would you take the Gallardo? I think most of you would probably end up taking the Supra, but let me know anyway.
these were redone.
Or yeah, I was gonna say for 200-some thousand miles, this guy must have sat in this thing like the most gingerly person ever. Like, it's in good shape. I mean, you can tell the shift knob got some miles on her. By God, you could just keep both. This thing's pretty sick.
Yeah, it's got its issues. Like this is all scratched up, and this is broken.
Yeah. What was the starting bid at?
I think like 30.
30? Mm.
And when I was talking to him, it was up to like 36.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
So you got a pretty good deal. I mean, it could have gone higher. Probably would have gone higher.
I think it's worth at least like 45.
Yeah.
It's even got the original stickers on the windows.
Oh, yeah. Original sticks. And he gave you a half tank of gas. Or did you fill it up?
No, that's how I got it.
Every time I buy a car, there's no gas in it. And I mean none.
Really?
Like zero.
So here's the service records. All
Service
dealer
records?
service records.
Yeah, that's nice.
So the transmission, the 6-speed transmission was replaced at 100,000 miles.
Mm-hmm.
The bottom end of the motor, the short block, was replaced 30,000 miles ago. The twin turbos were replaced 30,000 miles ago. as you can see, a lot of like new bits and pieces. Like a ton of stuff is replaced. So I'm gonna sit here one of these days and go dig through the stack and see what else they replaced. But, I mean, overall, outside of the mileage, like whoever owned it took care of it.
Yeah, they took really good care of it, even though it's been repainted.
Other than the shift knob, I don't know how people could live with a worn out shift knob.
I mean, he might have had an aftermarket one on there and just put the stock one back on. I mean, that's what I did.
Yeah.
So I don't know, but dang. So I think we're gonna go for a little cruise in the Lambo, because I haven't ridden it in a while. So. Are we going to make it? No! You're pretty close.
Yeah,
You got like, oh look at our fire suppression system, just in case. Yeah, you're pretty close. You got maybe like less than an inch. Yeah, you're definitely low to the ground in these cars though.
Yeah.
This is like Miata low.
I think when I was like kind of looking at it, when like if you look at the seat, it's only like that high.
Yeah.
Your ass off the ground.
Yeah.
Pretty low.
No rear visibility.
Zero. Other than cars, if you're backing into
The tops
spot,
of cars.
You can't see anything.
This does have aftermarket exhaust on it? You never figured out what kind though.
No, but it doesn't have cats.
Right.
It's one muffler. Still, it's quiet though for cruising.
Right, and it doesn't have valves or anything, right?
No. It only gets loud when you really get on it at higher RPM.
Right.
But I want to go to the overpass because it sounds so fucking cool underneath the overpass.
Right now we're two guys on a Sunday driving just to an overpass to hear this Gallardo exhaust. That's two car guys right there. Yeah, we're those guys.
Yeah, pretty much.
We're pretty much being those guys. Worth it though. I still say you need to straight pipe this thing.
Yeah, it'd be too loud. I think right now it's perfect. It's not loud and annoying.
Give this guy an F in the chat for saying it'd be too loud.
No, I like it, man. It's loud when you want it to be, but it's quiet for normal driving.
I guess. I would like it loud all the time.
Yeah.
That was me.
It's got technically 1 millimeter left.
That doesn't sound like a lot.
Probably a couple thousand miles. But people have gone longer than that. To like 7.5 millimeters without having to replace it. I'm at 4.6. Technically, I have like 1 to 3 millimeters, which should be about 2 to 15,000 miles. But I'm gonna figure worst case scenario. It'll only last a couple thousand more miles.
That's for sure.
Curious how well the sound will pick up on your GoPro.
I don't know. We're gonna find out. We'll see how good the sound is on a GoPro Hero 7 using a Lamborghini. That's probably a better title for this video than your Supra. How good is the microphone on a Hero 7 Black using a Lamborghini?
That would be a good time. Yeah, you should do that. Because then everybody that looks up the sound on those, which is probably a lot, will see the video. It's a good idea.
I'll just cut out the tunnel blast parts in this and probably get a bunch of downvotes, so there you go, you got something?
Yeah, big fireball.
Big fireball that we didn't get. The guy behind us though, he got probably some fireball action.
Yeah.
Does it shoot flames?
Oh yeah.
Does it?
At night.
At night. Then why aren't we doing this, Kevin? Why aren't we taking...
You've never asked.
Why aren't we taking this thing...
Yeah, we should take it out at night.
And get some rollers.
Behind me.
Yeah, I'll just do that.
Yeah.
This guy owns a car, shoots flames, Lambo, doesn't tell me. We could be doing this stuff.